We know coronavirus has spawned a whole new industry of dodgy claims, and some of them have come from leading political figures. Here's a few that might raise eyebrows. Let's start with the world's most powerful man. Within a few weeks, President Trump went from playing down coronavirus to calling it a pandemic. He's also implied that surgical masks have been stolen in huge numbers from hospitals in New York as a way of explaining the rise in their demand.
Where are the masks going? Are they going out the back door?
But there's no evidence of widespread theft. And if patients are flooding in and intensive care units are full because of a new infectious disease with no vaccine, then you are going to need a lot more protective equipment to have any chance of being able to cope. Various Chinese officials have been keen to spread the idea that the virus didn't originate in China. The Foreign Ministry spokesman Zhao Lijian has done so repeatedly. Chinese state media have amplified all sorts of false claims that COVID-19 might have been created by the US military, or that it was present in Italy long before it appeared in China. There's nothing to suggest that any of this is true, and the scientific consensus is clear. The virus first jumped from animals to humans in Wuhan in China towards the end of 2019. At the other end of the spectrum, the Italian nationalist leader Matteo Salvini has been telling his supporters that China created the coronavirus in a laboratory. It's another false claim, but it has been widely shared on social media. Again, scientists are convinced that this is not a man-made virus. The Brazilian president Jair Bolsonaro was censored by Facebook, Instagram, Twitter and YouTube for spreading false information. They removed posts of a video in which he claimed that the anti-malaria drug hydroxychloroquine was totally effective in treating COVID-19. In fact, there are lots of trials and it's being used experimentally, but the overall impact of the drug is really unproven. A senior Indian politician, Subramaniam Swamy, reported that the COVID-19 strain in India is a less virulent mutation which the human body's defence mechanisms are able to resist more effectively. That's not what the experts are saying. All viruses mutate, but scientists have yet to find any variation in how lethal COVID-19 can be. If a virus mutates slowly, that's good news. It means that when a vaccine comes, it should be effective for longer. There's a lot we still don't know, but the emergence of a coronavirus that threatens all of us hasn't stopped the virus of dodgy claims from spreading around the world.